How to convert Minecraft Bedrock world to Java world. So first what you want to do is open up your Minecraft Bedrock, then just simply click on play. Now once you're there, just go to the world that you want to export or convert. So let's say I want to convert this world. Click on the edit icon or the pencil icon. Once you're there, just scroll down right here to the game. Go to game, then scroll down to the very bottom, and here you will see export world. So just simply click on export, and I'm just gonna place it here on my desktop. Click on export. And as you can see, world export started. And now it is done. Now once it's done, you simply need to exit out of Minecraft Bedrock. For the next step, just open up your browser and search for Chunker Minecraft and click on the first link that pops up. Once you're there, just simply click on Upload Archive and find the one that was exported earlier. So I've put mine on desktop. So click on it, click on Open, then just simply click on Start Upload. Now once it's done, it will unzip it and detect the version of it. So just simply wait for it. Now once you're here, you'll just simply need to pick the one that you want to convert it to. So from Bedrock, I will export it as Java edition right here, which is 1.21.1. So click on that. Then scroll down and click on convert and download and just simply wait for it. And now it is ready to download. Then down, just simply click on download and just simply place it on your desktop for easier access. So I'm going to place mine on my desktop. Click on save. Once it's done, just exit out of it. Now go to your desktop and just right click on the folder or zip file right here and just simply extract it. So right click on it, click on extract. So I use 7-zip for extractions. So I'm just gonna set it to extract to right here. And as you can see, it is now extracted just like so. Now once it's done, you can now delete the zip file. Now click on Windows key plus R on your keyboard to open up the run right here, then type in percentage app data percentage. Once it's done, just simply click on OK, and it will bring you right here. Then find the .minecraft folder. So as you can see, this right here. Click on it. Scroll down till you see the saved file. Now just simply put the one that we exported. I'm just gonna put it right here. Now as you can see, it is right there. So exit out. Open up your Minecraft Java edition. So I have mine right here. Then just simply click on play and just wait for it to load. Now once we're here, just simply click on single player. And now as you can see, this was the one that I had on my Minecraft Bedrock, which is named this one. That's how I basically convert Minecraft Bedrock world to Java world.